How to create this animated text in Davinci Resolve. I'm going to show you the simplest way to get it done. So make sure to stick to us to the end of this video to see the entire step. So inside your Davinci Resolve, make sure you locate your Effects tab, which is on the top left corner, and tap on it. Then ensure the title is selected, and beside it you have tons of different titles you can choose from. In this case, I'm going to select on Text Plus. So I'm going to click and hold it and bring it to the timeline, and this will turn into an interface like this. So you can see with the Text Plus now we have custom titles. So we're going to make sure to click on the Text Plus, and we're going to make some important settings here. Up and above on the right, we have the inspector button selected, and beneath it we have all the details around this Text Plus. So here we're going to make some important changes here. So first we're going to highlight everything here and type how. Then with the font type, we're going to make sure we select Poppins, which is my favorite. So I'm going to locate Poppins, and with the type I'm going to make sure I select on extra bold. Then with the size, we have to make sure we increase it to something around 0.2244. So this will give us that kind of a big bold text. You can tweak it according to the way you want. So in my case, I'm going to settle on this, and then again we're going to make sure we move back to the Effect tab again, and this time we're going to locate our adjustment clip. So make sure you have the effect selected, and this time you can see we have the adjustment clip here. So you can click and hold and drag it to the timeline just on top of the text, and this way we will make some important changes again. So with the adjustment clip selected, navigate to the inspector button on the top right corner again and make sure it's selected. Then I mark the tons of options here, make sure everything is intact, and just toggle on dynamic zoom. So this will give the Text Plus a quick dynamic zoom. So when we try play it, you can see it is zooming a bit slowly, but we are going to make some important changes here, so stick with us. So this time we're gonna zoom it in a bit so that we can see each and every frame that we are working with. I'm gonna first have to know the number of words I'm going to use, so that you will split this clip into the number of words that you want it to feature here. We have the first clip, which is how. So then make sure you count 6 frames forward. So I'm gonna start 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I'm gonna hit on split to split everything here. Then again I'll proceed again 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then again I'll split it. So this time this will stand for how to. Then I'll move here again 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then again I'll split it, and with the text selected on top here we're gonna type create. Then again, so let me 1 2 3 4 5 6. So quickly we have all the set of words that I've created here, and each word has an interval of 6 frames. So we have how to create this animated text in Davinci Resolve. So I'm going to quickly play it for you to see how it pops up. So you can see how it's popping up very fast. We are not done. We're going to add some sound effect to it, and with my sounds I'm going to locate it top of my media pool here, and with that selected I'm going to pick the sound effect I want. I'm going to select and hold and drag it to the audio side and bring it just beneath. Then holding the edge of the sound effect, I'm going to trim it. Then I'll do same to the other side too. After doing that, I'm going to duplicate this sound effect by holding on Alt key and selecting it. So I'll duplicate it by holding on Alt. And after I'm done adding all the sounds that I want it to be having with its respective clip, I'm now going to move the playhead to the beginning and play it. Just look at how amazing it looks. And let me make it a full screen. That's it. You are done creating this nice intro in Davinci Resolve. If you want to save this adjustment clip for future use, you can just click and select on it and drag it to this power bin button. Under it you can just hold and leave it here, and you can reuse it anytime that you want. And that's it. This is how you can create a simple animations and save it in OBS with just a click. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.